Hey everyone, welcome back to Victoria Makes. Today I'm making quick and delicious garlic butter buffalo wings. They are juicy, flavorful and made with simple ingredients. Here is how we make them. Here are the ingredients you will need for the wings. To the wings I'm adding soy sauce, oyster sauce, barbecue sauce, chili powder, roasted paprika, garlic and pepper powder. I'll mix everything well so the wings are fully coated. Cover the wings and let them marinate for half an hour to 1 hour so they absorb all the flavors and cook up nice and soft. In a non-stick pan, heat some oil. Place the wings carefully one by one to ensure they cook evenly. On medium heat, cook the wings for about 4 to 5 minutes on one side and then flip them and cook for another 5 minutes until they are golden and cooked through. Once cooked, remove the wings from the pan and place them on a plate. Keep them aside while we make the garlic butter sauce. Into the same pan, melt some butter and then the chopped garlic. Saute for a short while until the garlic turns lightly golden and then add the reserved marinade and mix everything well. Add the fried wings back to the pan and toss them thoroughly. Make sure every wing is coated in the sauce and looks glossy finish. Finally, taste the wings and check for salt. Since the sauces already contain salt, adjust carefully. I only need a little, so I'm adding about quarter teaspoon. Finally, garnish the wings with some sesame seeds and they are ready to serve. And that's it. Our garlic butter buffalo wings are ready. They are so flavorful, easy to make and perfect for snacks or dinner. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy and happy cooking.